Our commitment to Kenyans, our commitment to athletes who are really our main business, is that will provide the best opportunity for them to perform at their optimum. It means that the basic things like travel, like the kit, accommodation, that has been done and will be done effectively. In terms of the management, a lot of improvements have done. In fact, as an Olympic committee, next week will be unveiling a partnership of an audit firm which will be coming not only to audit our finances, but to audit our operations. That will ensure that everything that we do, whether financial or non-financial, meets the international standards.
For us, the excitement around the opportunity just to get back to the series within a year is there. The challenger playoff in Madrid next week is huge for us. But I have belief in the team and in the young generation that has really taken up the leadership and the performances in the last three legs, and really shows that they can be there, they will be there for a while, and they will be able to produce performances for the team.